Igbo Class World, bringing to you all you need to know about traveling. Brothers and sisters, I want to lecture you about visitor visa. Where? In Canada. Canada visitor visa, or call it tourist visa, or conference visa. Do you know that tourist visa, or call it conference, or call it visitor visa in Canada can do a lot? Do you know? But in United Kingdom, you cannot do a lot with visitor visa. So, brothers and sisters, let's head to where? Canada. Let's look towards Canada. Because when you get into Canada with visitor visa, do you know that you can look for job? When you look for job and when you get the offer, they issue you Limia, L-M-I-A, Limia. The employer will issue you that. When employer issue you that, then you can look for permanent resident permit. Do you know that? So, brothers and sisters, let's look towards Canada because they are soft in terms of immigration. Their visitor visa, or call it tourist or conference visa, can do a lot. You can use it to do a lot in Canada. So let's head to where? Canada. But I'm not employer, I'm not agent, and I'm not helping to look for agent or employer. I'm just giving you information, what I know, in case you don't know that, so that you will work towards it. So please don't come and tell me, please, I need good agent. I don't know any of them. So, brothers and sisters, there's many ways which you can utilize your visitor visa in Canada. Do you know that when you get to Canada, you can look for school inside Canada? You are a visitor, but you can look for school and apply. You can walk into the school and apply. When they offer you admission, then you can use it to get resident permit. Because school in Canada, after, if it's vocational school or vocational training, if it's 1 year course, after that they will offer you um what they call postgraduate work permit. If it is 1 year, they will offer you another 1 year postgraduate work permit. And if it's 2 years course, they can offer you 3 years um postgraduate work permit. So when you get 2 years student visa, it's likely you will stay 5 years, and by the time you finish your 5 years, you will know what you will get to do with your 5 years. You cannot stay there and waste your 5 years. So, brothers and sisters, by the time your postgraduate work permit ends, I hope you will do something with it. You will get job, you will get employment. That's why we say before you go there, learn handwork. Learn handwork or get care certificate so that you get yourself equipped without going there empty-handed. Because when you go empty-handed, by the time you equip yourself, time will run out of you. And again, do you know that you can go to Canada and you go to train yourself in driving school? Do you know that? Especially lorries, trucks, forklifts. You can go there and train yourself. After training yourself, employer will rush you and they will employ you. Then they issue you permanent stay, permanent resident permit. Do you know that it can happen in Canada, but it cannot happen anywhere? When you come to United States, I mean in the United Kingdom where we are residing, you cannot come here with visitor visa and go to apply for work or apply for any other thing or convert it with any other thing or apply to learn handwork, like learn how to drive car or drive truck or drive lorry or drive trailers. They are looking for those who will drive trailers, trucks for them, forklifts. You can learn it there. You will quickly go there before your visa expire and learn it. When you learn it and have the certificate, then you are hot cake. They will rush you. Employers will give you job, and when they give you job, you convert it to permanent stay. Then you don't tender for Canada. Canada is so nice in terms of immigration. Then, do you know that you can, when you go to Canada as visitor, you can marry? Do you know that you can marry anybody that has citizenship? When you marry anybody that has citizenship, you are automatically their citizen. Do you know? This one is so simple. You can go Aduro when you come to Canada. The Aduro is not hard. The Aduro, some will start it in the airport. Some will start when they arrived. But when you arrive, don't allow yourself to exceed 1 week before going to Aduro. You can start it in the airport, Aduro, your asylum. If you have strong evidence, they will issue you stay, and government will start to cater everything for you. Cater your need, give you house, give you job, everything, protect you. Do you know that Canada is so soft in terms of immigration? You know, they have large mass land. So they are looking for people to fill it, but only problem is to get the visa. Look for person that will help you do the visa. Go into internet, research, and ask yourself or ask Google the requirement for Canada visa, the requirement for Canada tourist visa, the requirement for Canada conference visa, the requirement for Canada visitor visa. Then you go to you go and gather the document, gather the requirements, and apply. Or you look for somebody that will help you. Me, I don't know anybody. I don't know anybody. Unless you want to go through school. Only through school I know somebody that will help you. So, my dear brothers and sisters, but when you think of going there to study, you have to save huge amounts of money. You have to save up to 12 million naira so that you can be able to cope. Apart from saving, you cannot cope. Things are hard there. Some people are homeless. Some people, they expel them from school if you cannot pay your school fees anymore. So I don't know anybody. I don't know good agent that will help you go to Canada through visitor visa. Only what I know is those that will help people go through school. But before you go, gather the requirement. When you gather the requirement, gather money. Don't come and tell me I need to go and study. Why you don't have the requirement? You don't have the money. What I need to hear is that, yes, I have all the requirement. Or, I don't know the requirement. Can you help me to give me the requirement? I can give you the requirement. Or, yes, what I need to hear is that, yes, I've gathered all the requirements for study. Then, I can show you somebody who will help you to apply. So please don't come to inbox and say, hi, how are we going to do? I don't know how to go about it. I have explained everything I know. Anything you want to ask it in comment section. I will come and address it. I will come and answer you or address it in the comment section, or I will use it to do my next video. If you come to inbox, I don't normally reply. Please bear with me. Pardon me for that. I know it's my fault, but there is nothing I can do about it. Thank you, my people. Bye for now. Bye. Bye. Kemesian.